We were walking and I said, oh my God, that's Damien.
That's Damien.
That's
There we
Damien.
go. There he is.
There
There he
I've been
is.
watching
Daily
him.
vlogs. Watch it.
every night.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
Hello world, how you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. This is the Melasti Beach, one of my favorite beaches in full entire Bali island. It's been a longer while when I was here last time, guys. So, alright, so this is the main gate going to the beach. There is the little statue and the name of the beach, Pantai Melasti, if you would like. And this is the brand new beach club. There will be another beach club in the shape of the boat. And this beach club, it's called Katamaran, if I'm not mistaken. Seems like it's quiet, busy. Some people here seems like a local Indonesians also enjoying their time. Also, there are some taxi drivers there waiting for you guys. So if you're gonna come here by taxi, for sure, you will have opportunity to come back to wherever you're coming from. However, that's not the Bluebird taxi, so you have to negotiate the price with them. Here behind me is the lifeguard and a little like a selfie spot and stuff like this. And usually people coming here with their wedding photo session, making the photo sessions, wedding photo sessions, car session, stuff like this. Anyways, everything regarding the pictures. And well, sunset gonna be today somewhere behind the cliff. And yeah, there are some people over there, but it's not as that busy. Maybe because it's not really sunny, it's like a little bit cloudy day. Maybe that's why. There behind me some foreigner couple, actually only one guy. And the situation on the parking also seems not that busy. Anyway, going now in the direction of some bars. Maybe I'm gonna grab some drink. There's like a toilet situation, so you can park your car, you can take a shower, stuff like this, change your clothes. And also here is a little bit of the like a food truck, however slightly overpriced, and also some foreign. Yo! This is the main parking situation. Some people arrive, actually foreigners, couples. Definitely there are tourists coming. Pretty busy on the main parking area. There is Palmilla Beach Club, and there's a little bit like a wooden huts, bamboo huts where you can grab the drink. I'm gonna go to the beach first. Beach situation, very nice sand, very quiet, very calm. There's even lifeguards, so you can peacefully swim around. You can rent the sunbeds also without any problems. This is like a public beach, so the prices here for the sunbeds supposed to be about 100,000 rupiah. Shouldn't be more than that. Never rented, but everywhere shouldn't be more than 100. If they're asking you more than that, you can negotiate. And behind me, for instance, there is the Palmilla Beach Club, and you can go there and, well, you can enjoy. But for sure there is like an entry fee. I'm not sure how much is it, probably 250. It was at least a few months ago. Anyways, beach seems family friendly, so many kids in the water. And yeah, there are some tourists around time to time, and the Palmilla Beach Club is at the front. It's always busy, guys. And here we go, over there, just on this side, this construction of the another beach club. I record here basically on the past few years when was nothing there. I used to drive a motorbike there when I still had a motorbike, but now, and then I record the fundaments, how they make it, and now it seems like it's gonna be huge beach club over there facing directly the ocean. They are also, if you are a fan of the beach clubs, definitely this place is gonna be for you, like, well, most of the places in Bali nowadays. Also, there are two definitions of the beach club in Bali. They are actually clubs and beach club, but all of them they call beach club. But beach club, only like proper beach club in Bali, is where you have access, where full entire place is by the beach. So actually Karma and Sunday's beach club, where I'm heading right now. But if you're looking for this one or the previous two places where you saw where is beach front, but they are not beach clubs literally on the beach, that's actually just the clubs with the loud music and swimming pools and stuff like this. But for instance, if you are preferring the more local vibes, this is what is just next to me. This is the just proper beach hut bar or beach warung, which is actually my personal recommendation. However, I know many people likes the beach club, so everybody will find something for themselves while in Bali, guys. And there's also very family friendly, guys. So many families around. Also, guys, if you're gonna come to this beach during the weekdays, and especially in the month of April, you can enjoy the beach pretty like this one, which is still very empty, and it's even not many people used to walk here around. So pretty nice place to relax and chill. And this is like a zone between any clubs where nothing is here, just the cliff and the rocks. Also, as I mentioned before, many people coming here to making the sessions, like a photo session, the Instagram session, wedding session, I don't know, any kind of sessions, photo sessions, like even these girls over here. Hello! Here is very nice little path, I mean, side of the beach, where you're facing directly the sunset and the rocks, and there's nobody here actually. This is like a, for me, definition of paradise beach in Bali. Definitely one of the most beautiful beaches in full entire Bali Island, guys. You have to agree with me, especially if you are coming here during the sunset. I'm at the front of Kandara. Unfortunately, they get burned a few months ago, so only few bungalows left behind, and they are still under construction. However, on the next spot, they already put some sunbeds around. There is little river, like, check this out, and there's already sunbed situation of Kandara. Also some people enjoying the karma. This is what is it. Here you go, guys. And just next door there will be another club. It's not really a beach club, but club. Check this out, they have a lift, so you can go from the top of the cliff down there, and some sort of infinity pool like this. Here we go. This is the, I think, one of the oldest and first beach clubs, proper beach clubs here in Bali. It's called Sunday's Beach Club. They are preparing to be opening after 2 years opening, so it's good. And I mean, this is proper beach club because they have like a bamboo construction just down there from the cliff next to the beach, and then there's so many sunbeds and any other beanbags and stuff like this by the beach without swimming pool. They don't have a swimming pool, and there is instead so many activities in the ocean, in the bay, just next to the cliff. So there's not many people as you see right now. Actually, I'm only one, and there is some lady making pictures with the one of the worker. So that was actually proper beach club, what was I really used to like. Not endorsement for any companies around. This is number one. Number two, number three under construction, number four, and number five. So there will be at least 5 beach clubs and clubs on this beach. Also interesting fact, a few years ago, I mean maybe like 10-15 years ago, there was 0. So that's how Bali is changing, guys. There are some tourists coming around right now going, so check this out. I just met the lovely couple from Sydney, right?
Yes.
From Sydney. They're thinking what to say on the camera. Just say whatever you like, guys.
Oh, we just came back.
Well,
We're just back in Bali, and we hope everybody can come back to Bali and enjoy life.
Exactly.
But we were just at, is it
Palmilla's.
Palmilla, yeah, Palmilla Beach Club.
And we were walking, and I said, "Oh my God, that's Damien."
That's Damien.
That's
There we go.
Damien.
There he
There
is.
you go.
There he
I've been
is.
watching
Daily
him
vlogs. Watch it.
every night. Yeah,
4 p.m. Bali time, but I don't know what time in Sydney.
around 7, I
12.
think.
7,
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
Or you can watch it morning at 7 a.m.
No worries, I
No
will.
worries.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy, guys, yeah?
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, so it's a little bit change of plans. I met some lovely couple from Sydney, from Australia, guys. We had a little spoke about life. So happy to see tourists, guys. So happy to see people who are coming to Bali every single day. They come just literally last night. It's going to be very dark. I have to go home. I'm quite far actually from the parking area, but it's already sun behind. There are still some people on the beaches. Family friendly beach, I said already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed today. A little bit slow vlog, easy going. But anyway, you cannot make always so excited, right? Hope so you enjoyed. Thank you so much. And I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care, guys.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.